Alright, so our topic today is about evaluating equations. Now, in evaluating equations, we said that when we say evaluating, let me write here quick. Evaluating equations, meaning we want to get the value of our equation. Okay, so let's say for instance, you are given equation f of n is equal to 5 plus 2n. Okay, so this is our equation. Now, our goal here is to identify, or we need to determine what is the value of our equation if we have a specific value for n. Okay, so let's say for instance, my n here is equal to 3. Okay, so that is equal to, just write down here the equation, that is 5 plus 2 times, what is our n here? So our n here, class, is 3. Okay, so we have here, just write it down again. So write down here 5, okay, 2 times 3, I mean positive 2 times 3, it will give you positive 6. Okay, so to get the value of our equation, which is the value of our n is 3, so that is 5 plus 6, it will give you 11. Okay, so this 11 is the value of our equation. That's why this is called evaluating equation. Okay, so let us try another one. Okay, so let's say for instance, this is our equation that we're working at. Okay, so that is our equation, 5 plus 2n. Okay, so let us try finding the value of f of negative 5, for example, f of negative 5. So in determining f of negative 5, just get again the equation, so that is equal to 5 plus 2. Instead of writing here n, okay, just write here what is the value of our n. Okay, our value of n here is negative 5, so just write here negative 5. Okay, then next evaluate this one. So we have here 5, okay, positive 2 times negative 5, it will give you negative 10. Okay, so using your calculator, you can press here 2, then press times, press 5, and then press the change of our sign from negative to positive something. Okay, and then press equals, it will give you negative 10. Okay, next 5 minus 10, so we have here f of negative 5 is equal to, since 10 is larger than 5, then our answer here will be negative. Okay, so 5 minus 10 is negative 5. Okay, so since in subtraction, okay, if we are subtracting a number which is lesser than the given number, then we have our answer which is negative. Okay, or 10 minus 5 is 5, and then that will be negative. Alright, so we have these values for f of 3 when n is equal to 3, and we have here value for our equation when our n is equal to 5. So let me give you another one. What if we have here fraction? Okay, so what is f of 1/2? Okay, so f of 1/2, it's the same process. Don't focus on the fraction. Okay, just focus on how are you going to get on the process. Okay, so just write here the equation, that is 5 plus 2 times, instead of writing here n, you just have to write here 1/2. Okay, so because that is the value of our n. Next is that write down here 5 plus, okay, so in this part, when we are multiplying whole number to a fraction, you just have to multiply this whole number at the top of our fraction, or this is what we call numerator. Okay, just multiply 2 to the numerator, that's 2 times 1, that is 2 all over. We have here 2. Do not multiply 2 to the denominator. Okay, just multiply 2 to the numerator and then copy the denominator, that's over 2. Okay, next. So we have here 5. We all know that when we divide 2 by 2, that will give you 1. So our final answer here is that when our n is 1/2, our value, the value of our equation is positive 6. I hope it helps.